Guess where we are? Captain Archie's in North Myrtle Beach.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're out here on this beautiful Sunday at 12 o'clock, right during the lunch crowd, and we're gonna try out Captain Archie's. We've heard so many good things, seen it so many times. This is also a good place to watch the Yachts for Tots in November. So we're gonna show you what they got. Captain Archie's has been one of the bikers' favorites for many, many years. Bikers and boaters. So you can come by land and sea. And they've got island shrimp, steak bites, hog wings, chicken tenders, and all kinds of things. Fried pickles. They got your soups and salads, burgers and sandwiches, and your entrees. But what I'm here for today is some fried shrimp. And boy, you can already smell it in the air, can't you, Beatbox?
I can. All right, I want you to tell everybody about those cocktails they have.
Alrighty, so they have your Captain Archie's cocktails. They have a Sailor Skull. That sounds interesting. Skinny dip. And they have a Sunburn, which I would definitely like. It's the Deep Eddy with ruby grapefruit, vodka, and a club soda. They also have a Sea Breeze.
All right, so we're going to go with the Southwest egg rolls for an appetizer. And they have flaky egg rolls filled with chicken and southwestern veggies with a side of wasabi ranch. And take a look at our view.
Look at that. So they're going slow because they have, what is it?
This is a no wake zone.
That's it. Look at that. There's new construction over there. It'd be awesome to live out here, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And it is about 95 degrees and sunny and hot. And so we try to get out to show you the true colors of all these restaurants. So you'll know we try not to candy coat nothing and, try to come during the best part of the day whenever it's crowded and whenever most people like to get out and eat is at 12 o'clock.
Okay, our egg rolls have arrived. Look at that.
And they're good and hot. And let's show y'all the inside of them. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Too bad Beatbox can't have any because they're fried.
I'm going to have a bite or two.
Oh, okay.
Don't put egg rolls around me and think I ain't going to grab it.
And it looks like chicken and vegetables, and they're just so soft to touch. Look at that. And they're hot too. And then they have
what kind of sauce?
Wasabi.
Ranch, wasabi ranch.
Oh, is it ranch?
Yes.
Wasabi. And look at that. A good old dipper.
Oh, God, it's good. I just tasted it.
Did you?
The ranch.
All right.
Lord, we getting into them.
Well, I just wanted to show them one thing and point out, and I hope they're shrimps like that. Look at this, Beatbox. there's not any like grease residue. It doesn't leave your fingers greasy.
Right.
So it's not really fried that hard and greasy. So they're very light and refreshing.
They are.
They're not a grease that will weigh you down.
So tell me what you think about these.
These are so delicious. They're very good.
Look.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the wasabi ranch is absolutely delicious, but you can eat this without the ranch.
Right. And you know what? The wasabi is not too spicy either. It's just right. It's just that little bit of heat that is so
not
good.
Overpowering.
And the crust is so soft and just
very good. Okay, so let y'all know, we parked way back there, but if you do come to Captain Archie's here in North Myrtle Beach, you can come through, and they've got additional parking in the rear back here. And this used to be gravel, but they've recently paved it.
That's right. And just to confirm, they still do have the tables whenever for Yachts for Tots in November.
Auction off the tables, right?
That's right, they do. So you can still check into that too if you're interested.
And the Yachts for Tots that she's referring to is a lit Christmas boat parade that goes down the Intracoastal Waterway here. And I can't really remember where it starts, but it ends down there by Local. That way, right?
It does. I think it starts up in Little River. It's a good fundraiser for Yachts for Tots. It's all the yachts that dress up. And it's really become a family tradition for you and I, hasn't it, Brian?
Right. It's not really yachts as much as it could be any boat. You can participate and light your boat up.
That's right. It's kind of like starts off the season to Christmas for me. I mean, it's awesome. Y'all got to check it out. We do have a video on that for, I think, 21, 22, 23 year. We might have skipped one year. But
I don't know if we did it last year or not.
They rent out the tables here for the Yachts for Tots. So I think it was like $200, $300, and I think it went towards your bar tab.
So that highway there, is that part of 17?
Don't be asking me, I don't know. So they have indoor seating and outdoor seating.
And that might be considered patio seating because it's under.
This is true. And so we sat right here, look at Beatbox, right here beside the water. I'm a stickler for sitting anywhere outside beside water with a great view. It's my type of restaurant.
There are a lot of bikers that come here, as you can see.
That's nice.
And to give you an idea, when she said 12 o'clock, noonday sun, right up over our heads. Look at that sun through the umbrella.
So that might be another thing people want to keep in mind whenever you're coming out to dine. If you're like Beatbox and just don't like to sit out in the sun, you may want to sit under the covered patio.
That's right. So bright out here. I decided to go with the grilled chicken. It's a seasoned and grilled chicken breast topped with lettuce, tomatoes, and I'm going to skip the onion, and it's on a fresh bun for $13 because I'm trying to stay away from fried food because I'm getting old and fat.
And I'm going to be bad this Sunday, and I'm going with the fried shrimp. It's lightly seasoned shrimp, right? Lightly breaded and fresh golden shrimp. So that sounds right up my alley. And I should be on a diet, but it's okay. I'll start on Monday. Yes, good gracious. Now that is good. And it is nice and hot. You should feel those French fries. And look at that shrimp. Let's see. Here's a fork. Look at that coleslaw. It looks like it's lightly breaded too. So I'm going to pick it up. Sorry. Look at that. Nice size, isn't it?
Wow, that's
The
big
cut.
shrimp, isn't it?
Yeah, that's nice.
And so, look at, here's my chicken sandwich. Everything looks good, fresh.
Look at your vegetables.
Ooh, that thing's hot. Yeah.
See that? That looks good, doesn't it? It's got some squash.
Yeah. Trying to
Mushrooms.
stay away from the fried food, so it's pretty good.
Slaw. It's nice and coated very well with some mayonnaise, and it's not dry, you know, coleslaw. It's very good.
How's it taste? Good?
Very good. People want to see like the amount of shrimp that you get. I'm dropping it. But it's all over the bottom of the plate and everything and underneath the French fries.
It's like going to one of those old fish camps. Remember that?
Yeah.
When you were little?
It is a good portion size.
Very good. And it was
good.
so hot I had to let it cool off.
How about the seasonings on it, Beatbox?
It's very good. As a matter of fact, I was going to put something on it, but I don't need it.
Okay.
At all.
Here is a copy of our bill. Oh, look. She said, thank you, loser.
Thank you, loser. Wait a minute. I think it's a B-O-T-A. Both. Yes.
Our boozer.
Looter. Anyway, our lunch comes up to $58.97 after taxes and everything.
That's not too bad.
Right here at Captain Archie's.
Okay. All right. Well, there you have it. That was a look at Captain Archie's right here on the Waterway.
Yes, and we're up here in North Myrtle Beach, and actually the food was outstanding. I got the sauteed vegetables versus fries because I'm trying to not get so much fried stuff, and it was delicious. Now, how was yours?
Oh, mine was absolutely delicious. The fried shrimp was so good. It wasn't heavy or greasy at all. It didn't taste real fishy or anything. The French fries were good, and the coleslaw was out of this world. So.
And you said it wasn't greasy on your fingers, so
yeah,
it's not like all those other places that has all that nasty grease.
So it's not so heavy in your stomach. But
she actually said she thought it was like air fried or something because it was so good, or it was so.
And a lot of it, so I have leftover, so you can try it whenever you get home.
Oh yeah.
I'll air fry it for you.
That's right. If you like this video, how about give it a thumbs up, and it helps the channel. If you want to, please subscribe to this channel to know what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
And we will see you in the next video.
And until next time, you can say it.
I was about to, but you'd already said it.
Say it again.
As always, keep beaching. He always takes my parts. Southwest egg rolls. They are flaky egg. Was it flaky? Flaky egg rolls, if you want to say. They have.
And somebody's a little bit flaky.
I am. They have. And look, I'm drinking tea, unsweetened tea. And so I am going for the fat fried shrimp so I can have a Oompa Loompa summer instead of a hot girl summer. Where's my water? God, here, give me your water. Because I think I got something between my teeth.
You do?
Do I? What is it?
Nothing.
All right.
You're so crazy.
You ready?